Welcome back my YouTube channel Supercars TV 99. The Bugatti Tourbillon 2026 marks a revolutionary chapter in the legacy of hypercars, blending cutting-edge technology with classic craftsmanship to redefine automotive excellence. As the successor to the legendary Bugatti Chiron, the Tourbillon doesn't just aim to surpass its predecessor, it reshapes the entire perception of performance, design, and innovation. Bugatti has taken a bold step into a new era, one where tradition meets futuristic engineering. One of the standout elements of the Tourbillon is its design philosophy. Inspired by horology and the art of watchmaking, the Tourbillon is named after a mechanism in high-end watches that eliminates errors caused by gravity. This concept of precision is embedded into every curve, vent, and panel of the vehicle. From a distance, the Tourbillon retains the iconic Bugatti silhouette, yet on closer inspection, it boasts a more sculpted, aerodynamic body that optimizes airflow and enhances downforce. The front grille is elegantly aggressive, sculpted with Bugatti's horseshoe signature, while the lighting system utilizes advanced LEDs that echo the elegance of luxury timepieces. On the sides, the signature C-line that flows through the body remains, but it's more fluid and aerodynamic than ever before. The Tourbillon's profile is lower, more purposeful, and more dynamic, accentuated by active aero components that adjust on the go to balance speed, stability, and efficiency. Lightweight carbon fiber dominates the construction, ensuring strength without compromising agility. The wheel arches are bold and pronounced, housing exquisite alloy wheels designed not only for beauty but also for cooling the enormous carbon ceramic brakes. Step inside, and the Tourbillon's interior is unlike anything seen in a hypercar before. Bugatti has discarded the digital overload common in modern supercars. Instead, it features a stunning analog-style dashboard inspired by luxury Swiss watches, with physical dials and mechanical precision. The central gauge cluster rotates with the steering wheel, a complex engineering feat while maintaining perfect alignment. Premium leathers, crystal accents, and brushed titanium touch points give the cabin an opulent, timeless feel. It's a place where analog soul meets futuristic ambition. The rear of the Bugatti Tourbillon completes the experience with an aggressive and purposeful stance. A massive diffuser, integrated exhaust system, and a full-width taillight bar create a commanding look from behind. The active rear wing adjusts for optimal drag reduction and downforce, enabling the Tourbillon to deliver breathtaking performance whether on the autobahn or the track. Under the hood, the Tourbillon introduces Bugatti's first hybrid powertrain, a naturally aspirated 8.3-litre V16 engine, developed with Gosworth, paired with 3 electric motors. This setup generates a staggering combined output of 1,800 horsepower, enabling the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.0 seconds and reach speeds well over 275 miles per hour. Despite this performance, Bugatti has also managed to incorporate electric-only driving capabilities, aligning with modern environmental standards without sacrificing thrill. Set to launch in 2026. The Bugatti Tourbillon will be priced at around $4.6 million, with only 250 units planned for production. It is not merely a car, it is a mechanical masterpiece, a tribute to precision engineering, and a glimpse into the future of hyperluxury mobility.
Thanks for watching.